Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 3500HD LTZ Trail Boss. Comes equipped with a 6.6 liter turbo diesel Duramax engine paired to a 10-speed automatic Allison transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather heated and cooled seats, as well as BF Goodrich all-terrain tires, sprayed bed liner, integrated brake controller, and so much more. Come check it out. Moving on to the interior, we're going to have this all-black interior with paneling and cup holder storage on the bottom there, equipped with the Bose speaker sound system. We'll come up to the power locks, mirrors, and windows, as well as your seat memory with the wooden chrome accents. We're also going to have these power side steps as well. And onto the interior, you're going to have these power adjustable, heated and ventilated leather seats. Super nice. Left side, you'll have your ventilation, as well as your heads-up display control. Below that will be your drive mode selector and lighting controls. Left side of steering wheel will be your cruise control, forward collision alert, and heated steering wheel with the black bow tie. The right side will be your voice recognition and odometer cluster control. Now for the odometer, as you can see, it's all digital. You can access all of your vehicle information, including your trip info, drive summary, adaptive cruise, all your gauges, as well as you can access audio, navigation, phone connectivity, and other settings as well. So it's going to be push to start. You got the classic column truck shifter. Onto the infotainment now. Equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in Google Assistant and Maps. You can also access your front, rear, and 360-degree camera, as well as your mirror cams and the bed view. You also got built-in Wi-Fi hotspot with Amazon Alexa and My Chevrolet as well. Below that will be your exhaust brake with your lane departure warning, park assist, and hill descent control with the Z71 package. Below that will be your integrated brake controller, your dual zone climate control with 2 USB ports. Just below that, you're going to have your auxiliary power switch, huge center console with lots of extra storage, as well as a wireless charging pad, 2 more USB ports, and a built-in AC wall port. Passenger side, same finish, power adjustable as well, wooden chrome goes all the way across. Got the Z71 floor liners, speakers and vents up top with some storage behind the infotainment. You can see the heads up there, regular and digital rear view, and then up top you can access your reading lamps, OnStar and SOS, and your power sliding sunroof. You're gonna need blacked out 20-inch wheels on BF Goodrich Baja Champion all-terrain tires. You got the black Z71 badging, the monochrome with the Allison transmission and Duramax, these big tow mirrors, paint match keyless entry door handle with the side steps as well. You got the black Trail Boss badging as well, and the paint match corner step bumper. Again, more of that blackout badging. Trailer hitch and fifth wheel just under, next to the exhaust, with the multi-flex tailgate. You're going to have the grab handle with 2 LED lamps as well as an AC wall port with around 12 bed tie downs. It's a very spacious roof. Moving on to the rear interior, you get more paneling and storage right next to the speaker. Power window with the wooden chrome. Lots of extra legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's side with rear cup holders, rear heated seating, ventilation and USB ports, as well as you got cup holder and armrest right in the center, storage behind the seats, as well as storage under, with lamps up top and handles on the side. Alright, well thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet. We checked out this 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 3500HD LTZ Trail Boss, equipped with a 6.6 liter turbo diesel Duramax engine, as well as BF Goodrich all-terrain tires, adaptive cruise, forward collision alert, Google Assistant, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.